who's going out and who's staying in.
Hold on. Say that again.
I said whoever goes out today or who's staying in.
Cause you only have one person not here, you know, wishing McCoy. Can't say the name.
And it's gonna be told you yesterday it'll be 4 every week.
Yeah, I know. I understand, Cal. I heard you. Yeah, since wishing McCoy is not here, I can't say his name.
Me, Labro.
Yeah, you know who. I can't say the name.
The one who's staying in Holly.
Yes.